And today on Flavor Station we'll be making this beautiful creamy mushroom pasta. Beautiful stuff.
Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
First things first, chopping board. Chestnut mushrooms, chopped. Boom, see it there? One shallot. Peel it, slice it, dice it. Lovely jubbly. Like this video if you're a legend. If not, doesn't matter, stick around, you might enjoy it, you never know. Now, shallot, chopper, lovely jubbly, jobs are good un. Now, garlic cloves, 3 of, chopped, roughly. Tender stem broccoli, chop that a little piece. Lovely stuff. Now, this is some pasta we made in a previous video. Check out the channel for that. Fill it up in your olive oil on a high heat. Pan with your water in. Boil your kettle. Bang your boiling water in there. Don't forget to subscribe. Bang your veg in there. No messing, bloody. Yeah, man. Just sweat this off till your water's boiling. Lovely. See that bubbling away? Just till it's soft. Then pasta in there. Boom. We're cooking on gas. Literally. Now just give your pasta a mix. Give that a mix. Oh yeah. Smoked paprika salt. Bang that in there. Fresh double cream. You're looking about what? 200 ml? Bang that in there. Give that a little mix. Yeah, man. The paprika and the salt gonna make it that good. Yeah, boy. Pasta in there. Don't worry about straining it. You want a little bit of water off the pasta to make your sauce nice and creamy. And just a lovely consistency, blood. Oh my days, look at her. And we're there. We're almost there. Couple herbs now. Mixed herbs there. That's a bit of oregano. That's a little bit of thyme. Marjoram, I believe. Just give it that fragrance. Now, into a bowl. Simple as that. Sick lunch as well. You know, and you just can't be bothered. This was like 10 minutes, if that. 10-minute meal, mushrooms, vegetarian, lovely jubbly. You got your lovely, crunchy, sweet, tender stem broccoli, mushrooms. It's banging. If you like that, watch another. Follow on Insta, Twitter, Facebook. Watch a playlist. Thanks for watching, man. I've enjoyed it. Hope you did too. Love you. Bye.